we are going to on the all week this week. Boy. That we go to the pool. Shoes.
Got so tired of waiting.
It's raining. Yeah, wait, the car is coming. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to our channel. So we are headed off to the mall, me and Liam. Let's put our hat on. So it's raining. Yep.
Open it.
I'll open it 1 second. Oh! That is like not yours, Liam. This one is Liam. I mean, Lethan.
No, it's not. It's mine.
Alright, so Liam has all his little snackies. Ready for our ride. You gonna go to the mall?
Yeah, I'm going to go to the mall.
Go get lunch?
Yeah, just get lunch at the store.
So this has been my life, chilling with Liam and working my business. We've been chilling. Out of breath. All right, so I'll see you guys when we get to the mall. I'm gonna let him play in the little play area there, probably grab lunch, and then either my husband will come get us or we'll take an Uber back. We'll just see. But we're gonna hang out. It's raining, but we are going to enjoy. We're gonna enjoy your day. So to get into today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment, okay? Because I like to chit chat with you.
Yeah, what?
So we have a sale going on. So we got a sale going on.
Yeah.
Say free shipping.
She's shipping.
And say and 10%
10%
off
off.
next purchase.
Person.
All right. he was like, could not wait to put his Spider-Man book back on. He was like, Mommy, put my Spider-Man book back on. I'm about to go. I was like, okay, baby. So we packed this little bag with some snacks, and he has this book bag on. Come down so we can get ready to get in the car.
Okay.
All right, so we will see you guys once we get to the mall. Come on, baby.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's a beautiful, like, cozy day. Like, I made my own coffee. I made my own cup of coffee this morning. Like, okay, so it's like really late. I'm hopping on this vlog really late, you guys. So I didn't even like really do an intro. So let's do an intro. Say good morning.
Good morning.
It's still the morning time, and we are off to the mall.
Yay!
We off to the mall. Say like, comment, subscribe.
I want to hold it.
Oh, you want to hold it?
My mother is crying. I want to see the rain.
Liam has the camera. Drop it.
Okay. Nope. No, put outside. Because it's going to be dead.
Hmm?
It's going to be dead. What is it? I want to see the rain come down. Claire's here.
Are you riding in the Uber? Gotcha. No, it's rainy.
Look, Mommy.
What?
Look at the rain.
I know, I see.
It's yellow.
Yeah,
It's going faster.
it is going faster. Boom. All right, you guys, we made it to the mall. Those glasses?
Yeah.
No, not today. I'll get it later. I'll get it later. So I think the mall is just now opening, so we're gonna. Oh, you wanna go down the escalator? Escalator. All right, this way. Bring your hand. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Look at you. Such a big boy. Yeah.
I want to get in the car.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, jump.
I want to get in the car. I am going.
1. It's not working.
Wait. Are you ready? Mommy, I'm ready to drive.
It's not working.
Yeah, Penny.
Try this one. Oh.
Okay, try this. Try this.
Yeah.
Whoa. This is so fun. This game is so fun. So you gotta put this in the front. You got 2 money. Mickey, get this.
What?
Get this.
Yeah. What is that?
Let's get this.
A skeleton. And he had to get it as a toy. Yes, look at the price. $15. Ridiculous. So I told him that's it. No more toys for 2 weeks. You gotta wait 2 weeks to get another toy.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, and then I get the cars and then
You want a 2-week break from getting toys. I spent money on the all week this week.
To eat in my mouth.
So we're waiting for our Uber driver, and we are headed home.
That's not Uber driver. It's
What's
not Uber driver.
What is it? Who is he? What's the car we driving? You guys, so I had totally forgot to film the rest of the video, but let me go ahead and end it out. This is like the next day. It's the morning of, and I really wanted to show you guys my Boss Babe cup that I got from Walmart. Wait, let me talk about Walmart. Not Walmart, Target, you guys. When we went to Target, me and Liam. So I'll see you guys in another video.